My name's Alan Rouse. I do roof restorations in eastern suburbs of Melbourne.
Amazing. And what made you join the Where You program? Were you experiencing any bottlenecks? You just relied on word of mouth?
I wasted a lot of money on ads over the last 3 to 4 months. Spent 10,000 within 2 months, and I wasn't getting enough leads in. I wasn't getting enough return on the money I was spending. Even though the money that I was spending was paying so-called experts to do the marketing for me, it wasn't getting me enough money in return. So after that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna end up having to do some other job working for someone. I don't want to go back to doing that. I saw Brendan; he was spamming the ads the last.
He does that, yeah.
The last few months, and then I thought it'd be good to know how to do it myself. I don't have to worry about wasting money on people that you don't even know if they're going to do a good job or not. So
Yeah.
it's good to know what I'm doing myself as well. Yeah.
Yeah, putting the power back into your own hands, which is really cool. You can take control of your own business. And based on today, how did you feel? Was it easy to follow? Was there any kind of like key takeaway that just kind of like blew your mind? How are you just feeling after today?
Excited, very excited. Yeah, I feel like I understand it a lot. It seems like there's going to be a lot of support as well in the next 6 months. So that it just makes me very excited to like go out there and start doing my own ads, and then like following up with the team if I have any questions, anything like that. So I'm just excited for the future. Yeah.
That's all you can be. And what would you say to anyone who's sitting on the fence about joining the program?
Just do it. Just do it. Click that button. You're not going to regret it.